Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a dollar symbol on your Google Sheet on your web. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to insert a dollar symbol on your Google Sheet web, I'm just going to show. So first of all, there is no insert symbol option is present on the Google Sheet web. So you just use a keyboard shortcut. So for this, the keyboard shortcut for the dollar was you just want to press shift plus 4. Okay, so just press on the shift key on your keyboard plus 4, so which will make a dollar symbol. This is how you just insert a dollar symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer, because there is no insert symbol option present on the Google Sheet web. Otherwise, you just can copy by clicking on the web and just copy from anywhere on the website. Otherwise, just use shift plus 4 key on your keyboard, so you can just insert the dollar symbol on your Google Sheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.